Hello everyone, and welcome to this new section in the course, where we'll be learning about 2D transforms. So, what are CSS transforms, and what can they do for us? Well, in the last chapter, we learned about CSS transitions, which allowed us to deal with the CSS properties applied to specific elements, and make those properties change smoothly over a specific period of time. But in this chapter, we won't be learning how to control the properties applied to the elements, but we will control the elements themselves, like divs and images and so on. In other words, we'll learn how to change the element's size, shape, and position. And that is what the CSS transforms are all about. The transform property has 4 functions that we can use to control how our elements will be displayed. And those functions are the scale function, which allows us to resize the elements, meaning to increase or decrease their height or width. The translate function, which allows us to move the element and change its position to any spot on the browser, horizontally or vertically. The rotate function, which allows us to rotate the elements in a 2D environment by any degree or any number of turns we want. And the skew function, which allows us to skew the elements along the x-axis or the y-axis. So now, after we see what CSS transforms can do for us and what functions are used with it, in the next lesson, we'll start learning these functions. And we will start with the translate function. So, see you in the next lesson.